Senate Bill 2075. Imagine this. Imagine the state has a bunch of different advisory groups for jobs and licenses, and instead of each one having its own setup, the state decides to put them all under one standard playbook. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 2075 says it is cleaning up and standardizing advisory boards under the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. It sets more uniform rules for what these boards are called, how long members serve, and how leadership is picked. What it actually does? This means state leadership can run these boards in a more centralized and predictable way, while the public gets fewer natural chances for new people to rotate in. It gives the Commission more control over appointments and board structure, while everyday Texans and smaller voices have less influence over who gets a seat. Who benefits? The Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation leadership, the state commission overseeing these boards, established industries and professional groups that already know how to work the system, long-term insiders who benefit from stability and fewer sudden changes, who pays the price, new applicants and smaller voices trying to get on these boards, consumers who want stronger outside oversight, people who rely on fresh perspectives and regular turnover, the public if centralized control makes these boards less open over time. Why it matters. These boards may sound technical, but they help shape rules that affect real jobs, licenses, services, and consumer protections. When terms get longer and appointments stay more tightly controlled at the top, regular Texans can have a harder time breaking into the process. That matters because once a system starts rewarding the same insiders over and over, the rules tend to work better for the people already inside the room. Bottom line, Senate Bill 2075 makes these advisory boards easier for the state to manage, but it also gives state leadership more control and makes it harder for fresh public voices to get in.